In this video we will learn how to withdraw amount from your Zero Markets account to your Binance wallet through TRC payment channel. Now click the purse icon and select Withdraw. Select TRC as your payment channel. On Binance select Deposit. Then select Deposit Crypto. Select Coin as USDT. Then select Payment Network TRC as shown on Zero Markets account. Now copy deposit address shown on Binance and paste into your wallet address field on Zero Markets page. Enter your valid email address registered with Zero Portal. Please enter your date of birth. Verify you entered details before proceeding. Then press Save. Enter the US dollars to withdraw. Finally verify your details again and then press Withdraw button. Withdrawal is successful. Press Confirm. Get back to your portal homepage.